It's about 10 days, doctors from different countries coming here in Rwanda to serve in terms of training other doctors here in Rwanda and giving services to the patient in different hospitals here in Rwanda. Here we are with Navuka Oze. Rwanda Regas Hope is an organization which coordinates all these services. What is the main purpose? What is the mission of bringing together different experts in surgery to support Rwandans?
This came from my heart. I had for my country, because I have burden to see my country developing. And when I see that skills in my church I am leading, the church God gave me to lead, I said, I think these skills can do something in my country. That was pushing me, because I love my country. I want to see my country developing. I want to see my country on the side for health. As a Rwandan, I was been here for many years. I born here, I grew up here. I know how the hospitals work. Is that the reason I said there is skills we don't have in my country. If I take to my country, it's going to help my people. And at the same time, that skills we bring also bring equipment we don't have in hospitals. All the time we came, we bring medical equipment in hospitals. This mission, we brought equipment for 100,000 euro. And this is about nearly 90,000 million Rwandan franc.
It's about 5 years working together with these experts from different countries in surgery. What is the tangible results with working with these doctors?
There is a result, a big result, because from 2012 till today we are talking. I think the patient they treat is about 1,200 people. And these people, some I meet them, some I don't know them. But when you see you are changing life for somebody, this you are happy, and this bring you happiness. And we thank God, because it's still bringing more people. And also, like I said, in August, we are coming also with a team for plastic surgery, ENT, orthopedics, and the neurosurgeons. Today I had a meeting with some Muhima hospital. We are looking how we can bring doctors who can work with them. I am looking now how we can bring doctors who come not for 2 weeks, not for 1 month, to stay 6 months, 1 year. That we are planning now.
This is Oze Navuka. Thank you very much for this conversation.
Thank you very much to inviting me.